Hi, in front of me is iPhone 12 and today I would like to show you how to set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Face ID and passcode. Then enter your current passcode. Click Set up Face ID. Tap Get Started and follow the instructions. Tap Continue. And done. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!